Hi, I'm Kevin Chalupka from 3M's Expanded Beam Optical Interconnect Lab, and today we're going to talk about 3M Expanded Beam Optical Technology. As you may already know, expanded beam technology mitigates the effect of dust contamination by increasing the beam area. But what sets 3M brand expanded beam technology apart from others? By utilizing 3M's exceptional manufacturing capabilities, we are able to produce ferrules with extremely high precision. This results in industry-leading insertion loss and return loss performance for 3M expanded beam connectors, even after 1,000 mating cycles with no cleaning. We also incorporate a light turn feature, allowing for recessed connector designs, further reducing contamination and mitigating eye safety concerns. The 3M fiber-supported ferrule design also allows for multi-ferrule connectors for high-density applications with low insertion force. All of these features combine to create a reliable system that allows you to connect with confidence. Thanks for watching. For more information on 3M brand EBO connectors, visit our website and send us a note.